Data model, schema, and instances. Data model. A data model is a conceptual framework that describes how the database can be structured, stored, and related in a database. Instances. The instances is an overall logical structure of a database. It defines how the structure can be it defines how the database look like and not the actual data. Database looks instances are the database instance refers to the actual information stored in the database at a particular period of time. uh, DBMS architecture. A DBMS architecture uh, describes the structure of a database management system. It explains how the user interact with the database and how the data can be processed and stored. Types of DBMS architecture are one tier architecture, two tier architecture, and three tier architecture. Data independence. Data independence is the ability of an DBMS to change the database schema at one level without affecting the schema of the next higher level. Entity entity set entity set, attributes and keys. Entity. A entity is a a entity is represented as a real world object which is independent existence and in which the data is stored in a database. And entity set. A entity set is a collection of similar entities of same type. Attributes are the properties or the characteristics of the entities. Keys keys are the um, keys are the attributes or a set of attributes. It is uniquely identified to an entity. ER model concept. The ER model concept the ER model concept is an high level based model that is used to design database. um, it is represented as a high level it is represented as a real world object, and it is used in a relationship of entities and attributes. ER model notations, it is a entity relationship. Mm, uh, the entity relationship model is a uh, um, graphical representation of a data model. It is used to indicate in a specialized keywords entities, attributes, and relationships. That is one to one, one to many, many to one, and many to many. One to one. One entity is related to only one entity. One to many, one entity is related to many entities. Many to one, many entities are related to one entities. Many to many, many entities are related to many entities. Um, then degree. A degree is a relationship that indicates the uh, number of entities sets participating in a relationship. That is unary relationship, uh, binary relationship, ternary relationship, and an array relationship. um, Unary relationship, degree equals to 1. A relationship between itself. Binary relationship, degree equals to 2. Relationship between among two entities. Ternary relationship, degree equals to 3. Relationship among three entities. And array relationship, degree greater than 3. Relationship more than 3 entities.